Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something that's a part of your life, my life, basically everyone's life, that's smartphones. But here's the catch. Could these gadgets be doing more harm than good to our planet? If you are intrigued, hit that like button and let's dive in. Why should you care? Look, smartphones are practically extensions of ourselves these days. Did you know around 67% of the global population owns a smartphone? But here's the kicker. These devices are contributing significantly to climate change. Deloitte Global estimated that smartphones had generated CO2 equivalent to approximately 146 million tons just in 2022. Carbon footprint right from manufacturing. Before you even unbox your shiny new phone, it has already pumped tons of carbon into the atmosphere. About 80% of a smartphone's carbon emission occur during its manufacturing, production, and shipping stages. And guess who is the biggest manufacturer of electronic devices? Yep, China. They primarily use coal for electricity, so imagine the carbon footprint. The lifespan of smartphones has been increasing rapidly. Gone are the days where you would use the same Nokia brick phone for decades. Today's smartphones are replaced quickly, creating a mountain of e-waste that ends up in landfills, harming local communities and our environment. So what's the solution? Longer usage. The first step towards being a responsible smartphone user is simple: use it for a long period. This reduces market demand, which in turn lowers production rates and therefore carbon emissions. The second solution is go refurbished. Why not consider buying a refurbished phone? They are cheaper and have much lower carbon footprint. And don't worry, they often come with warranties and tech support. Third solution is recycle. Don't just toss your old phone into the trash. Up to 80% of its material could be recycled. Imagine the carbon emissions we can save by reusing these materials. Next solution is supply chain. Companies should also make their supply chain more sustainable. Bigger players like Apple and Samsung are already working towards net zero emissions. Another solution is regulatory interference. It's time for governments to step in and regulate e-waste. France is already setting an example by requiring device makers to score the repairability of their products. This encourages consumers to repair rather than replace. Before I let you go, remember this: our consumer behavior shapes how companies act. So let's make a difference by choosing an ethical smartphone lifecycle management approach. So, what do you think? Will you be making some changes? Let me know in the comment below. And if you found this video enlightening, don't forget to share it with your friends. Let's spread awareness and save our planet, one smartphone at a time. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay green.